Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Drex versus T-Rex surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Drex versus the T-Rex surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to line up the corners and give my paper a nice fold down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time and give it another fold. Kind of looks like a big bookmark. Now when I open this, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a fun surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin over here with the Drex. So we're going to start with the eye. I'm going to begin by making a little check mark shape like this. Then let's make a little smiley face underneath there. I'm going to make a curve here, and then another one there for the pupil and the reflection. And then I like to color this in just a little bit. Next, let's draw a couple little lines right around the eye for some detail. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and then down for like the eyebrow. Next, starting here, let's bring a little line. It's just going to kind of come up and in. Then we're going to bring this line up and then towards the eye. Make a couple more of these little wrinkle lines right there. Then let's make a big rounded curve shape that's going to come to here. And then we're going to bring this over here. Next, starting here, let's bring this line down and then in. They'll make another one that's going to go down. We're going to go in and then curve it up. Let's make some little curvy, wrinkly lines right here. And then let's make a line that's just going to kind of come down here for the arm. Next, let's make a little line that's going to come down here for part of the face. Then we're going to make a couple broken lines kind of where the head's going to be. Then I'm going to put two kind of wavy lines back here. And a couple little lines by the head. Can even put a couple little lines back here by the jaw. Now, over here, let's draw the T-Rex. So let's begin by making a line that's just going to go down and then back in like that check mark shape. Then we're going to make a smile and then another one here for the pupil. Then I'm going to color this in and leave just a little bit white. Let's make a couple little lines right around the eye for a little bit of detail. Then let's make a line that's just going to come up and then down here for the eyebrow. Let's make a line that's going to go down. We're going to come up and then down at an angle. Then let's bring this line up and then down here for the back of the head. Let's make a little bump here just so we can kind of see where that other eyebrow is. Let's go up and then down in like a hook shape for the nose. And we can color part of this in. And then make a little curve around here. Let's make a line that's going to go down and then in. Another one's just going to go down. We're going to curve up and down and then back up for the jaw. I like to draw a couple little curved lines like this for some wrinkles underneath for the neck. And then we're going to bring this line down. I'm going to make kind of like a little bit of a broken oval shape here for like a little indentation by the face. And then another one back here. Then I can put some little lines kind of right around here on some different little areas for some detail. Next, let's open this up and draw the inside. Once we open this, we have two halves of our picture. So let's begin right here on the Drex. Let's bring this line down. And then let's kind of make it a little wavy to here. Then I'm going to bring this line up to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. And then we'll connect it to here. We'll make a curved line back here, and we'll add a couple little extra lines on there, kind of for the back of the mouth. Now for the teeth, let's make some sharp, kind of pointed teeth in here. And we'll do the same thing down here. Let's put some sharp, pointed teeth. Then let's draw the tongue. We're going to make a line that's going to go up and down, and then back up and down to here. Next, let's curve this line down for the mouth, and then we'll make a second line here, just so we can make it look a little 3D. I'm going to make some broken lines kind of coming right around here, and then a couple more right around here on the mouth. Then I'm going to make some little lines that come up here, and then a few little lines down here, just for some detail on the mouth. Now, once we're done with our Drex, let's come on over here and work on our Trex. So let's bring this line down, and we'll kind of curve it down, and then up, down, and then up again. Let's bring this line down, and we're going to come over to here and then down. Let's go ahead and draw a line here with a couple more little lines right around here. And then let's make those sharp teeth. We're going to really fill up our T-Rex's mouth with all of these pointed teeth. So let's make all these sharp, pointy teeth in here. We'll do it on the top. And don't forget the bottom too. We're going to put a lot of sharp teeth in here. For the tongue, let's bring this line up and down, and then up and bring it back. Then I'm going to bring this line down, and one more line down here. Then I'm going to make a couple little broken lines right around the mouth, just to add a little bit of detail. And there you go, there's your drawing of a Drex versus T-Rex surprise fold. So when we have it all folded up, we've got both of them staring each other down, and then when you open it, we see they are both roaring at each other, ready for battle. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.